Hi, my name is Sid Marshall with Sushi Sit-Out Catering, and today we're at the kitchen of Convivial Catering, and this is how to char chilies. Oh, sorry. If you don't have a grill, there's a real easy method that you can do at home in your own kitchen, right on the grill, or right on the stovetop. First, we start by taking our chili, and we're putting it onto a screen directly over the flame. What we want to do is we want to cook the chili until we get a nice blister on the chili itself. Once the chili is charred, you can either put it into a Ziploc bag and close it, or put it into a bowl and cover it with plastic. Once the chili has steamed, you can take it out of the bowl or plastic bag. Using a bowl of water, you can take the chili, put it in, and slowly rub the outer charred skin off. Once the chili has steamed for a little bit, you take it out, and using a bowl of water, you can slowly pull off the charred skin and clean out the seeds from the pepper. Once you've gotten off all the charred skin, we're left with a really nice roasted chili. And that is how to char chilies at home.